Hi there, this is Rishti with welcome to the WooCommerce world. Guys, in today's demonstration, I am going to tell you about WooCommerce cancellation of the products with RMA, which is Refund Monetary Authorization. Guys, the most important and the powerful feature of this extension is that it is going to work for both the logged in users as well as for the guest users. So consequently, all the benefits are going to be provided to both of them. So guys, let us begin to the main process and see that what are the exciting features this plugin is going to provide you. Alright, so this is our order settings page. Alright, so this is our settings page, and from the settings page you can enable the cancel settings as well as you can also set the order status at which the customers will be getting the option for the cancel order at the checkout page. So from here you can enable the cancel order, and from here you can enable the cancel orders product. Guys, if you are enabling this option, which means that you are facilitating your customers to cancel the whole order at a time. Alright, and if you are enabling this option, which means that you are facilitating your customers to cancel the order product wise, which means that individually they can cancel their products. After making these settings, you have to click on save changes. So all these settings are going to be reflected on the checkout page, which can easily be viewed by the customers. Alright, so let us now move on to the products page and begin the shopping and see what is going to happen. Select any one product. So over here I am going to select the two products and going to add them to the cart. This is the second product which I am going to take. Okay, so now click on view cart. Okay, so the two products have been added to the cart, and after that you have to click on proceed to checkout. So these are all the required credentials which will be filled by the customers, and after filling all these credentials they have to select one of the payment method. For example, if they select cash on delivery, and after that they have to click on place order. So the order for the product has been placed, and these are the order details. So now let us move on to the My page and view the order. Here you have to click on orders. Alright, so this is our order, and here we are getting the two options, that is view and cancel product. So the customer has to click over here. Let's do that. Okay, so as soon as they are going to click on the cancel product option, so they are going to get the orders product cancel request form, and over here they have to first of all select the products that they want to cancel. And at the very initial I had told you about that they are going to be facilitated with the feature that they can cancel the whole product either they can cancel the order product wise. So let me show you how it is going to happen. For example, if I select this product and click on cancel product. Okay, so the product has been cancelled, and here we have got the status of the order as partially cancelled because we had selected only one order to be cancelled. And now let me show you that how are you going to cancel the whole order. Okay, so this was our whole order, and if I again click on cancel product, so these are our two products that we had purchased from the shop page. So if I click on check all, so by default all the products are going to be selected that are going to be cancelled. And after that, when you click on cancel product, Okay, so the order status is cancelled because we have cancelled the whole order. So you must have distinguished between the two, that when you are going to cancel the whole order, you are going to get the order status as cancelled, and if you are going to cancel the order product wise, you are going to get the status as partially cancelled. So guys, this was all for today's video, and if I highlight the benefits of this extension, then the very first point that comes into my mind is that all your customers are going to pass with a very simple process of RMA, which is refund monetary authorization instead of a complicated one. And second, if I talk about, then all your customers and if I talk about the second one, it this extension helps you a lot in keeping all your customers streamlined and constantly connected to your e-commerce website, which I think is a very demanding feature that every owner of the e-commerce website wants to have. So guys, this was all for today's video, and thanks for watching as well as keep connected.